Yeah. All right, y'all, man. We've been working in this heat, man. And as I always say, make sure you take care of your body when you working in this heat. You know, make sure you stay hydrated. You know, make sure you eating. Because that's exactly what I'm about to do right now. Right in between the appointment, go get some food, man. Let's go. Yeah, man, I'm about to go get some grub, man. Just look how beautiful this is, man. Y'all just take a look and look at that, man. Look too good. Hey, man, you know, Nico is really great at what he do, really great. But you know, some supporters drove by and he forgot to get that on film because he was adjusting his lenses, man. I still love you, Nico, it's all good, but gotta get the supporters in there, man. Hey, y'all, it's probably about 115 degrees, man. Make sure y'all stay hydrated. Probably gonna slot the kava. Hey, y'all wanna know something funny? The Chick-fil-A in Tampa does not taste the same as the one in Atlanta. The one in Atlanta, specifically on Druid Hills, if you ask for an extra crispy, well done, they'll make it like that. The Chick-fil-A here don't have the same taste as the one in Atlanta does. And everybody that really eat Chick-fil-A and all my Atlanta folks that know what I'm talking about that crunch when you bite into it, that taste. You know what I'm saying? Out here it just tastes a little different. It tastes like they shipped it out here and it was cold and then they unthawed it and threw it in the microwave. And it ain't no hate to all the Chick-fil-A's in Tampa. I'm just saying the one in the A tastes way better. Alright, y'all, so finna walk across the street to Kava is right here. Shout out to all the Kava fans and the Chipotle fan. I'm not a fan of Chipotle, but Kava got a few things that I like to grab from there. Let's cross the street, man, look both ways. Oh yeah, and they got this strawberry lemonade that's hitting, boy, it's on point. Alright, and they might let us record in here or they might not, but we gonna see. We just not gonna get their faces. Hey, would they trip if we record in there? I guess not. Okay. Alright, y'all, man, it's time to eat. Got my bowl. And like I said, man, make sure y'all take care of yourself and eat. And y'all ain't passing out while doing these people calls, man. So let's get into it, man. Let's go. Alright, y'all. Finally done made it to the last bite. Probably gonna walk this off. I don't like working on the heavy stomach. And this food was a little heavy, so I'm gonna take a few more bites. It was good. Probably give it a 6 out of 10. Nico said he'll give it a 10 out of 10. He got spicy chicken. I don't eat spicy food. Let's go, y'all. Let's walk this off. Alright, y'all, man. Walking this food off, man. That was a lot, man. It was heavier than I expected, but it was good though. It was good. You know, this was the Lightning play at right here at the Amalie Arena. You know, we got some Stanley Cups. Shout out to my boy Sergachev. You know, he went to Utah, but you know, I still got love for you, dog. Man, why you ain't got no shorts on, bro? You gotta throw the shorts on, my boy. Alright, y'all. We done eating. About to get back in the field. And we showed y'all a little bit of information. We're gonna give y'all some more as we walk. You know what I'm saying? It's a beautiful day out, man. Let's walk off this food. Man, and like they say, it's a lot of sleepless nights and a whole lot of grinding. Most gonna say it took forever, but it's perfect timing. Let's go. Alright, y'all. Head back to the whip. Now, I don't even think we paid the part, but we wasn't going that long, so hopefully the van's still there. You know, one thing, I could deal with a boot. I just can't deal with a toe. But I don't mind paying a boot. I could pay those all day. But when you take the whip and you slide and take it to the yard, and now I gotta wait until you open up to come get it, I don't like that. But the van is still there. Yes, sir. Alright, y'all, let's slide, man. Going to take it to finish the last cars for today, man. Hey, I want to talk to y'all about something real fast. You know, in the days where you slow and you might only have a car or two and you get done early, don't just pack up and go straight home, y'all. it's a lot of different things you can do that you can still gain some clients while you're still outside. There's so many things you can do. You can go get some flyers printed out, go pass them out to people walking around, or you can go to certain neighborhoods, you know, maybe catch somebody in their driveway. Don't solicit. Don't just walk up on somebody's yard and just start, you know, putting stuff on their cars or even knocking on their doors. You know, some people probably knock on their doors, but you know, that might be cool, but you know, I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't send nobody out to go do that, to go knock on somebody's door. Because some people do not like solicitors. We live in a world where everybody wants to be private. 2025, everybody wants to live a private lifestyle. You know what I'm saying? So be careful on going to people's houses, because not everybody is friendly. You feel me? So be careful, man, out there in these streets when you trying to network and grow your clientele. Man, shout out to the home team, man. As you can see, y'all know what time it is. Y'all know what time it is. A few of the greatness side this. You ain't got to get into it all on here, but just know it's some greatness on this ball, man. Like I said, y'all, man, get you some flyers, your business cards, whatever you got to promote your business, man. Get out here in the field, man. Running ads is cool, but I promise you, the clients that you want, you're not gonna find them through no ad, man. You gotta get out here in the field. You gotta put the work in. You gotta put the groundwork in, man. You gotta walk these streets, and you never know who you might run into, man. I always tell people the best clientele, the best way to get clients is from referral, word of mouth, or just being in the field. Because if you at home running ads, you're not meeting nobody. It's not 100% sure that you're gonna meet that and somebody gonna call you off that ad. But if you bump into somebody face to face, you know, it's more liable for you to get their contact and you can do their call. And depending on what type of day it is and how that person feels, somebody might ask you on the spot to watch the call right now. So, and that didn't happen to me before. I done gave somebody a card, a flyer, whatever the case may be, or I introduced myself, I told them what I did, and you know what they said? They asked, "You got time now to do it?" And I was like, "Shit, come on." But it might be some days I might not have time to do it, but in that moment, that specific time, I did have time, and I knocked it out right there. And now I've been cleaning that person car for about 4 years now. So God bless to that, man. Y'all gotta get out in this field and work, man. There's too many people out here not working and not having enough motion. But you got the network, you got the resources, you got the equipment, but y'all not making that happen, man. So you gotta get out here in the field, man. Nothing gonna come to you easy. You gotta put the work in. And he know who put that work in. Because once you put that work in, it's gonna reciprocate the same energy, and you're gonna get it right back times 10, man. Alright, y'all, the time has come to an end, y'all. The time has come to an end. My next appointment is literally right there across the street. Customers at the grocery store, got a little about 5 minutes to spare. And like I said, man, we're gonna end the video on a positive note, man. Y'all get out there, keep hustling, keep grinding, man. If you want to see more of these videos, like, comment, and subscribe, man. I appreciate y'all. And you know what I'm gonna do for the last 5 minutes? I'm gonna sit right here, cause this is my happy place, and just look into the water and clear my mind, y'all. Just vibe out.